Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a 2019 Toyota Corolla key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the seam and separate the halves carefully. Lift out the old CR 2032 coin cell and note the positive side orientation before removal. Insert the new battery, seat it firmly, snap the case closed, then test the remote from a short distance to confirm all functions. Gather tools and parts first to make the swap quick and stress-free. You only need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 battery to complete the job. Place the fob on a soft surface, remove the emergency key blade, and use gentle pressure to open the case at the seam. Handle the battery with clean hands, avoid shorting contacts, then reassemble and test each button to ensure success every time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy car repair guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite fits manuals in one lightweight device, reads easily in bright sun, and saves trunk space for tools. Check the description for the link and current deals on the Paperwhite and related accessories. Thanks for supporting the channel and helping others learn. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the emergency key blade and locating the seam on the fob case. Insert a flathead screwdriver gently and twist just enough to open the case without forcing it. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note the positive side orientation before inserting the new one. Seat the new battery firmly and align the case halves, then press them together until they snap. Test the buttons and reinsert the key blade when everything works.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.